Hey, my name is Vishal, and today I'm getting a special food challenge from Aishwarya. I'm not an expert or anything at cooking, but I do enjoy the process as long as it's not a challenge. Let's check out what it is.
Hey Vishal, I have an interesting challenge for you. You have to make an entire Maharashtrian thali all by yourself.
Oh my god!
Maharashtrian thali to me is mummy's jevan. It's so warm, it's so spicy, and it's amazing.
मैं महाराष्ट्र में 7 साल से रह रहा हूँ. I have experienced the food, but I don't really know how to make this food. Can I cook this food?
A typical Maharashtrian thali has भात, डाळ, चपाती, 2-3 भाज्या, वडी किंवा भजी, कोशिंबीर, चटणी, लिंबू, मीठ आणि एक गोड पदार्थ.
This is not going to be easy at all.
या स्वादिष्ट चॅलेंजसाठी तुला माझ्या मनापासून शुभेच्छा.
I'm so excited to taste the food. If I survive the cooking, we'll definitely taste it.
The first item is साधा भात आणि फोडणीचं वरण. साधा भात is our usual rice and फोडणीचं वरण is what is popularly known as dal tadka in the north. Tadka can be with green chilies or red chilies, but my favorite is what my mom makes with hirvya mirchichi फोडणी. It just hits differently.
I am dead today. Where do I start? I'm gonna use this very amazing invention and cut the onions. I have put the onions in. Okay, maybe I need to cut smaller pieces. Yeah, it's working now. I can do this all day. Finely chopped. We also need tomatoes. ये तो gravy हो गया लेकिन. My tur dal is all soaked. I'm going to pressure cook this. Something is wrong with this pressure cooker. Is it gonna burst? While my dal is cooling, I'm gonna make the fornitsa varan. I have taken my kadai. First, we're adding some oil. My first ingredient is hing. Yeah. I'm gonna add some mustard seeds. Why is it blasting like this? Cumin seeds, matlab jeera. Everything I'm putting with swad anusar. I'm not even looking at the recipe anymore. Little bit of curry patta. Here. I have smashed some garlic, green chilies, a little bit of the tomatoes, red chili powder, turmeric, some salt. The curry patta got burnt and the garlic is burnt. This is what happens when you're shooting and cooking. Don't judge my cooking because of that, okay? I'm really excited to reveal this dal. Yeah. I'm gonna add this dal. I know the Maharashtrian dal can be a little bit more thicker than what I'm used to. I would like to add a little bit of water to this. 1 spoon of ghee. Oh, looks so good. First dish is done. Oh my god, I almost died doing that.
काळ्या चण्याची उसळ. The main ingredient in this is my favorite कडधान्य, black chana. It doesn't matter if it's slightly dry or it has gravy. It needs spice.
काळ्या चण्याची उसळ. I soaked this chana overnight. I have to cook this till there is 1 whistle. So just wanted to show you my pressure cooker. This pressure cooker is broken, but it's the best pressure cooker that we own. Wait for 1 whistle on this. First whistle is done. I'm gonna lower the heat and let it cook for 30 minutes. We have to make a paste with dry roasted coconut and roasted onion. Just gonna roast some onions first. Some grated coconut. Just gonna roast it on the side. This is our onion and coconut paste. First, I'm gonna add oil. Our oil is hot. I'm gonna add my tej patta. I did not know what oa meant. I just kept looking and then I realized it's ajwain. Some oa. This much peppercorn was so $100. Can you believe it? Peppercorn. Now we're adding some cloves, long, 1 pinch of cinnamon. Thoda sa hi chahiye hing bhi. Is it me or just hing sounds like a dating app? Onions. I don't know what I'm doing. Now it's time for me to add the tomatoes. This is the paste that we had created earlier. Let this cook for a bit. 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. Like I said, ये spoon table पे पड़ा था, तो this is tablespoon. Red chili powder, turmeric, थोड़ा सा गरम मसाला, coriander powder, some jeera powder. I'm gonna reveal our boiled chana, which is looking fabulous. Yeah. So we are not adding the water right now. We are just adding the chana so that chana can soak in all the spices. I'm probably messing up at a lot of places, but जो result आ रहा है काफी अच्छा आ रहा है. तो इसका मतलब ये है कि मैं अपना ढाबा खोल ही सकता हूँ. To add salt. I'm so excited for this. Our कालिया चण्याची उसळ is done. I'm pretty sure I'm going to eat this food at dinner. You'll notice that this will become dark.
Basundi is sweetened dense milk. It's not only eaten in Maharashtra but also in Gujarat and Karnataka. In my house, we only make it during festivals, but I really enjoy that full hearty bowl of milky goodness.
Never had basundi before, so I have no reference to what good basundi tastes like. But Aishwarya was kind enough to refer me to this basundi mix. I'm making this milk lukewarm. It is 1 cup, and I'm gonna add 1/4 of this whole pack. 1, 2, 3, 4. Adding the basundi mix. Stirred. Oh, where did all the color go? खत्म ही हो गया. It was supposed to have cashew and stuff. Where is the cashew? ये दुकानदार ने मुझे झूठ बोला. I'm just hoping the sweat from my hand is not dripping into the dish. There is no sign of any nuts in this. I am really angry right now. बस इसको बनाने में मैं पिस्ता है. Just gonna add the nuts into this. Just a little bit more pistachio. Just gonna mix it. Now I'm gonna just put it in the fridge. Well, our third item is ready. It's time to move on to the... Wait a minute.
I thought Vishal could use a refreshing drink to keep up with all the cooking, so I sent him.
Wait. I have a feeling this is...
Oh, soul curry. This is the drink Aishwarya sent me to refresh myself. Let's see if I like it. I'm sorry, I don't like it. And it's kind of spicy. Why is it spicy? It's supposed to refresh me, not make me drink more water. Okay, I'm sorry to soul curry fans. Not a big fan of soul curry.
How can we have a Maharashtrian thali without our paramparik ukdiche modak? I really want to explain this dish, but it's more of an emotion than an actual food item. I'll just leave it at that.
What? How can she imagine me making modak? Ukdiche means steamed? I had no idea modaks were steamed. I thought they were just fried or something. Or like, I don't know, I thought it's a fruit. We are starting with some ghee. Time for some grated coconut. Now it's time to add our jaggery. The jaggery is a little, I don't know what's happened to it. It's melting. It's the heat. Adding the jaggery, it's stuck. I love how it looks. I love how it smells. Jeez, it's like a halwa. Oh, it smells so good. Our filling is done. Now it's time to make our outer covering. Uske liye hame chahiye zara sa pani. Now I'm going to add ghee to this. We're also going to add some salt. I don't have any instruments to make the modak on that in that shape, so I'll have to do it with my own hands. BuzzFeed में इन हाथों ने क्या क्या नहीं बनाया है. I'm gonna add rice flour. There you go. ये तो सूजी जैसा बन गया. मोदक तो ठीक से बनाने होंगे वरना like I should not cook ever. I'm just kidding. I'll cook. I've wet my hands. I'm going to knead my rice flour. This does not look like modak. I don't think I can do better than this. It will not be a pretty modak, but it will be a modak. Is this working out? Is this a modak? First time ke liye chalta hai. Now we have to steam them. Thankfully, we have this idli steamer lying around the house. I just greased the idli trays with some ghee. I have water in this idli steamer already. I have my modaks on this idli tray. I'm gonna place it like this. Beautiful, beautiful, exquisite looking modaks. Now I'm gonna cook it for 15 minutes. Ladies and gentlemen, my first ever modaks.
Next item is ghadichi pori. Pori means roti, ghadi means fold, so ghadichi pori means folded roti. I love this more than fulkas because you can just put chutney or toop or meat and roll it up and eat it.
I just wanted to ask Aishwarya one question. मुझसे वो round roti नहीं बनती. You want me to make a round roti triangle and then from the triangle again into a circle. How will I do this? I have my dough ready. I'm going to just try and make the first circle. It's turning into a square, you see. I just want the layers to get created somehow. Make it round like this with hand. Okay, I can do it with hand. It's not round, but it's fine. We are not striving for perfection here, okay? We are striving for learning and education. We need to put some oil on it. Now I'm gonna fold it. Now I'm gonna fold it again like this. So this is my triangle. Challenge यहाँ ये है कि मुझे ये triangle को circle बनाना है. What is this skill that I don't have? And I'm gonna create this illusion that this is round. I don't know if there are layers inside, but it looks round to me. Here you go. Gonna spread it on this. Alright, I'm gonna proclaim this roti as cooked and move on to the plating. अभी पूरी खूबसूरती से हम इस खाने को सजाएंगे और फिर इसको खाएंगे because it's gonna be a new experience for me also. I'm really hungry. I'm dying. Who is at the door right now again? Ashwarya just sent me a package and it's kind of big. What is this?
I've sent Vishal a cute care package of लिंबूचं लोणचं, पापड, आळू वडी आणि हवा पण हरडे for later.
I am so excited to try this. Cannot believe I made this. The modaks are a little sad, but it's cute sad. I'm gonna first check if my rotis have 2 layers. There are 2 layers. Let's dig in. In the dal is thick. Absolutely brilliant. Now I'm gonna try Kale Chania Chusal. The coconut in this hitting the right spot for me. Try this aloo vadi. It's spicy, but like it doesn't hit you right away. I'm just gonna eat some dal. I feel like dal just hits different with rice. मुझे विश्वास ही नहीं होता कि ये मैंने बनाया है. Let's try this basundi. I can't believe that I made this with a ready-made mix. But I also do think that it's the nuts that's lifting this dish. Here's the modak, ultimate dessert. Damn, this is good. I love the fact that this thali has a little bit of everything. The spiciness in the chaniyachi usal, the sweetness of the basundi and the modak, the tanginess in this nimbu achar. हे खूप छान होता आणि मी खूप खुश आहे. Let us know in the comment section down below which regional thali should we try next. And of course, subscribe to BuzzFeed India. Please subscribe to BuzzFeed India.
घडी काळ्या चण्याची It's not only found, is it a species?
Selling kanya chanya. I should have learned Marathi by now. Otherwise, I would have had a smoother day today.
I really no. पारंपरिक. I've sent
काय झालं? कुठे आहेस? कसा आहेस? हवामान हर दे. इसको खाने के बाद जो डाइजेशन होने वाला है मेरा